Hi everyone, welcome to Share Classes. Today in this video, construct a triangle ABC where right angle at B, AC equal 5 centimeter, BC equal 4 centimeter. So let us construct this triangle. Okay, now first of all, drawing here the given two line segment of length 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Perfect. Now leveling here BC, so BC is 4 centimeter and here AC, so this is 5 centimeter. Okay, now again drawing here a line segment of length 4 centimeter, leveling here BC, so BC equal 4 centimeter. Next, drawing 90-degree angle at the point B with the help of compass. So putting the compass on the point B and taking any radius. So first drawing here an arc. Now taking same length and cut here and putting the compass here with same radius and cut here and drawing here an arc again with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So now joining this to get 90-degree angle. Okay. Perfect. Next, checking this angle with the help of protractor. So this is perfectly 90-degree angle. So this is a 90-degree angle. Next, measuring the value of AC. So AC equal 5 centimeter and putting the compass on the point C and cut here. So leveling here A. Okay. Now joining A and C to complete our required triangle ABC. So here AC equal 5 centimeter. So therefore ABC is the required right angled triangle where right angle at B, so angle B equal 90-degree, AC equal 5 centimeter and BC equal 4 centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it.